Well, after sitting in a queue of trucks on the detour, moved about 1.5 kilometres an hour, they finally said the freeway was open, so I managed to turn my truck around, get back on the freeway. Still a bit slow going, but a lot quicker than what it would have been going through town. Anyway, up here somewhere's the culprit. It's caused all this traffic mayhem on Friday the 13th of all days. Fucking believable. I guess at the end of the day, what are we looking at here? Probably about a 45-minute loss. But, oh well. I was getting home early anyway, so. Well, we've got the clean-up crews here, ready to start cleaning it up. Now, I'm taking a guess that this is a taut liner with a Volvo at the front. And I think our fellow truck drivers will understand exactly what I mean when I say that. Oh yeah, she's a taut liner. Bada bing, bada boom. Hey, how did I guess it was a taut liner? B double taut liner, there we go. How did I fucking guess that? Oh my god, and it's a Volvo. How did I guess that? Put, ding, ding. Unbelievable.